Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur, and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this series, we are going to solve SQL 50 questions from LeetCode. Okay, and today is our sixth episode. So let's dive in. Okay, so the question is replace employee ID with the unique identifier. So as you can see, this question has been asked in Google, Amazon and Adobe, okay, and Point72 as well. So it's a nice question. Let's dive in. So we have two tables over here, employees and employee uni. Okay, so when we have two tables, obviously we have something to do with joins. I'll give you a quick introduction of what joins are. So joins basically helps us to join two tables. So SQL offers us various types of joins such as inner join, left join, right join, and cross join. These kind of joins you will usually use using data analysis. So I'll explain each and every join as the question comes up. Okay, so let's dive in the question. So we have employees table. And in column we have ID and name. Okay, ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the name of an employee, okay, in a company. Okay, and employee uni is nothing, is gives us ID and unique ID. Okay, is the primary key. Okay, each value of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. Okay, so there's a unique ID given over here. Okay, cool. Right, so the question is write a solution to show the unique ID, which means this, of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Cool. And what do we want in output? We want unique ID and name. Okay, let's select. First things first, we'll write what columns we want in the output. Unique ID, comma, name. Now I'll explain you along the query. Okay, I want these two columns. You can see unique ID is of the table employee uni and name is of the table employees. That means I'll have to join these two tables to fetch these two columns, and I cannot write these two columns without specifying their table names. So I'll tell you in some time. Okay, select these from which ones. So I want all the names, right? So I would write from employees. Now I can keep this employee's name as it is. Okay, but I would replace it with using E. Okay, from employees E, inner join, what inner join will do. Now in this case I want all the names, right? So I want all the left table. Left join, what it does, so left join retrieves rows from the whole left table and the common values from the right table. Okay, so I want every names, right? So I will take all the whole left table. So left join employees uni, and I'll replace this with EU. On, what on does is, so how I will join these two tables, I'll write employees, left join them the second table, the right table. On means I should have one common column between the two tables on which I'll join these two. Okay, on E dot. Now here if I wouldn't have written E, then I'll have to write the whole employees dot. Okay, but since I've written E, I can replace it with E over here. So E dot ID is equal to EU dot ID. Okay, from this, and I think, yeah, this would do the job. Tests dot employee uni. Okay, what is the issue? Employee. Okay, there's spelling mistake. There's not employees, it's employee uni, and it's accepted. I'll try to submit. Yeah, we have a running code over here. So I'll just walk you through the answer once again. So what we have done here is, I have two, I want to fetch two columns from two tables, and I want all the names, right? As you can see, I want all the names. So which means I want the whole left table, correct? And I want all the corresponding unique IDs to those names, right? So even if I don't have the whole right table, that is fine, because if the name is important over here, so I'll get the whole left table. That's why I've put employees on the left side and employee uni on the right side. Okay, now to join these two, I will use left join. I cannot use inner join over. This can also be solved by right join. Okay, I will just swap this two names over here, so it will take the whole right side. I can try to show you that. Right join, and let's do this. Control X, Control V, Control X, Control V. What if I try to run this? Will I get the same output? Later. And I got the same output. So what I've done here is, here I'm fetching the whole right table employees and the corresponding common rows from the employee uni table. So it is, I'm doing the same thing with the left join. Okay, in left join I've just took everything from the employees, right? So left join is very similar to right join. So if I swap the tables, it is the same query. Okay, so yeah, this is how I joined the two tables on the common column, which is ID and ID. So e.id, which is nothing but employees.id, which is equal to EU, that is employee uni.id. So yes guys, this was the sixth question from LeetCode SQL 50. Replace employee ID with the unique identifiers. I'll put more and more videos of SQL 50. Please follow me on my Instagram and YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.